Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Angry Birds 2. To begin, pull back on the slingshot to aim your bird, then release to launch it towards the pig structures. Your main goal is to destroy all the pigs on the screen using a limited number of birds. Each bird has a unique ability, which you activate by tapping the screen after launch. Mastering these abilities and understanding the environment is key to achieving high scores and progressing through levels. Every bird in your flock has a distinct power. For example, Red can unleash a powerful squawk, while Chuck speeds up dramatically. To activate these, simply tap the screen once the bird is in flight. Timing is crucial. A well-timed ability can clear an entire section of pigs or collapse a complex structure. Experiment with each bird to understand its full potential. Beyond your birds, you have access to powerful spells like the Golden Duck or the Mighty Eagle. These can be game changers, offering significant destruction or strategic advantages. As you cause damage, your destructometer fills up. Once full, you earn an extra bird, which can be invaluable for clearing those tricky final pigs. Always aim for maximum destruction. Angry Birds 2 offers more than just story levels. Dive into the arena to compete against other players for impressive rewards and climb the global leaderboards. Don't forget to tackle the daily challenges, which provide excellent opportunities to earn extra gems and coins. Consistent practice will sharpen your aiming and strategy, helping you become a true master of the slingshot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.